So how can you see your sent follow request on Instagram, to whom you've sent your follow request, and those people who haven't accepted it? If you want to see that information, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do it. So unfortunately, Instagram doesn't really have an option where you can directly see to whom you've sent follow request. But if you download your information from Instagram, you may be able to see it. So to download that, you just need to go to your profile. After that, tap on the menu bar, and here go to your account center. After that, you can see the option called your information and permissions. Just tap on it, and then you may download your information. Just tap on your download information, tap on download or transfer information, and all of the available information will be here. So here you can see some of your information option, tap on it. After that, here scroll down to connections and tap on followers and following. Select on that and tap on next. After that, select where you want to download it. I'm downloading on my device, tap on next. And here you need to select your date range, from which date you want to know when you send your follow request. If it is last year, tap on last year. If it's last 6 months, tap on last 6 months. I'm going to tap on last week and tap on save. After that, choose in the email account that you want the information to be downloaded, and the format, HTML or JSON. Just tap on anything you want, and then the media quality, medium, high, low. I'm going to tap on medium and tap on create files. You can see the specific information download, current activity in progress. After the information is downloaded on your device, you may just go to your folders and check on download. There will be a GIF file from Instagram that will be downloaded in your device, and there you can see the list of people to whom you've sent the follow request. So in this way, you can see send follow request on Instagram within some steps. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.